Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how can you download Android applications for your PC. So the method that I'm using is msuic. So and also there are applications called Play and also BlueStack, but I guess Play is good. So first of all, you need to go to your web browser. I'm going to go to Google Chrome, and after that I'm going to type for Play and go to the site and download the Play application. Okay, so I have already downloaded the file, and after that you need to double click on the installation and click yes. So after that you need to click quick installation. Okay, so after the installation you need to click launch now, and after that you need to wait for some minutes until it loads. Okay, so after that you can see a memo guide. So if you need that you can click, but after that I don't want it. So after that I'm going to close it. Okay, so the main thing that you need to do is go to the Play Store, and after that you should sign in. And after that you need to sign in with an existing account. So if you don't have an account you can click create account. So I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in with that. Okay, so now all set up. So you can go to Play Store and download the apps whatever you need. So I'm going to go type for Need for Speed. You can see you can download the application. So that's all for today's video. So if you learned something new, hit that like and subscribe and share button so you can share it with your friends, and also comment for more videos. So until next time, goodbye.